So I've been talking about digging a hole. So here she goes. It is currently over 100 degrees here in the greenhouse because it's been nice out. But this coming week is supposed to be up in the 90s as well, so it's not quite there yet outside, but it is inside. 100 degrees. At some point I'm going to have to consider moving the plants out of the greenhouse because it's too hot, and that fan is not enough to keep it cool inside. I need more airflow, and I need this tank to be able to be finished. I gotta get it the rest of the way down that wall, through all that and back across. I've done all this digging sitting down, basically right there on that edge with my feet on the little platform there that I left that hasn't been dug up. It's down to just about 3 foot. I want to go down about 4 foot, but I am currently looking at, I don't know if you can tell or see, but right in the center of where that corner shadow is, there's 3 lines. The second line basically goes right through a little spot that the ground changes there. So that's the level where this really easy to dig sandy clay is turning into little tiny rocks, and they're wet. So that's got to be the water table itself. I kind of want to get just below that at the very least, so that I'm warming the water table when I get this tank done. I can heat sink a lot of this heat or for winter, you know. I don't think the heat sink is going to help keep it be less than 100 degrees. I gotta get out of here. I'm sweating here just standing. Anyway, there's the hole. I'm digging. Hopefully I'm gonna have to take a week off here and then I can get back at it. So it depends on if the temperature comes down enough. So yeah, there we go. I think I'm done talking. There's stuff out here. Sunflowers. Okay, goodbye.